Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the HP player on your Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to download and install HP player without using downloader, the best option is using the APK time. Now the next question is, how do you install APK time without also using downloader? It is very simple. In the description of this video, I've added a guide that's going to help you to install the APK time to your Android TV without using downloader. So go ahead and watch the guide and then launch the APK time. After installing APK time, launch it and it's going to bring you to this page. So this is how APK time looks like if it's your first time. Go over to the option that says players and browsers, and if you browse to the bottom, you are going to see the HP player, which is what we are looking for. So here's it over here. Just go over here, click on download, and the application is going to be downloaded, and then I can just go ahead and install to your Android TV. This only works on Android TV. Please, if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.